This quick demonstration of the QR code writer in FormMaker. So I'll start off by creating an empty form, a new form, and going into design mode. And our barcode reader, QR code reader are there as before, and now we've added a barcode writer and a QR code writer. So I'll drag on the QR code writer, and you see the default it comes up with is the Google website, and that's the QR code for the Google website. But I can change that in the normal way and change it to something else. So say bbc.co.uk, and that's changed the QR code to that URL. It doesn't have to be a URL, it could be anything really, but that's that URL. If we don't want it to be anything at all, we can just do that, rub it out. But then we actually don't get a QR code and we can't see where our field is, but that may be what you're after, so you can do that if you want. But I'll start off with just having the Google website in here and go forward from there. So there we are, that's the QR code writer, and if I save that form and run it, obviously this form isn't doing anything very useful, but I can change the QR code by changing this code down here, which at the moment is a URL. So there we are, and if I finish that and have a look at the results, there we go, that's how it would appear. And I'll just show you something else you can do with QR codes. We can drag on a picker and have a few different things to choose from here. So we'll just, instead of using URLs, I'll just go with product names. So we go prod 1, prod 2, prod 3, prod 4. There we go. So it's got a little picker there, and I'll just take out the label because it's not very useful, and I'll give it a tag because we're going to use it in a formula, and I call it tag 1. There we are. And then in the QR code writer, I can set a formula to say equal value of tag 1. There we are. And now when I run the form, with a bit of luck, there we go. It's changing the QR code as I change the selection in the picker. And when I print that off, that's how it would appear. So there we are, that's the QR code writer in FormMaker, and that's about all there is to it. Thank you.